विश एकेडमी के आज के इस वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 10th के साइंस टेक्स्ट बुक सोल्यूशन चैप्टर नंबर 1 लिविंग वर्ल्ड एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ माइक्रोब्स। तो पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं कि यूज व्हिटाकर्स मेथड टू क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग आंसर। बैक्टीरिया किंगडम मोनेरा, प्रोटोजोआ किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा, फंजी किंगडम फंजाई, algae. If unicellular kingdom protista, if multicellular kingdom plantae, prokaryotic kingdom monera, eukaryotic any kingdom other than monera, microbes kingdom monera or protista. Next question. Complete the 5 kingdom method of classification using living organism: prokaryotes, eukaryote, multicellular, unicellular, protista, animal, plant, fungi. The living organisms classify into two parts: prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes are further classified into unicellular, and the unicellular is monera. Eukaryote is classified into two parts: unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular is classified into protista, and multicellular is classified into three parts: fungi, plantae, animalia. Next question. Find out my partner. Column A and column B. Number 1, fungi. Answer is Candida. Point number 2, protozoa. Answer is amoeba. Third, virus. Answer is bacteriophage. Fourth, algae. Answer is chlorella. Fifth, bacteria. Answer is prokaryote. Next question. State whether the following statements are true or false. Explain your statement. Lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. First question is lactobacilli are harmful bacteria. The answer is false. Explanation. Lactobacilli are useful bacteria. They are used for curdling the milk. They are also used for preparing variety of milk product. Next. Cell wall of the fungi is made up of chitin. Answer true. Explanation. The cell wall of the plant is made up of cellulose, while the cell wall of the fungi is made up of complex sugar called chitin. Inside the fungal cell wall, there is cytoplasm which contain many nuclei. C. Organs of the locomotion in amoeba is pseudopodia. Answer is true. Explanation. Amoeba is a protozoa, primitive organism which possesses pseudopodia as an organ for locomotion. Next, tomato wilt is a viral disease. Answer true. Explanation. Tomato wilt is a viral disease. This virus are able to infect only plant cell. Next, give reason. Write the characteristic of virus. Says answer. Viruses are extremely minute, of the size range of 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. They are on the bordering of living and non-living. They are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and are visible only through the electron microscope. Though they are not considered as living, they can make replica of their own. Point number 3, they exist in the form of independent particles. They are long molecules of DNA and RNA which are covered by the protein coat. Point number 4, their survival is possible only inside the living plant or animal cell. When they infect the host cell, they produce their own protein with the machinery of the host cell. This protein form may replicas of the infecting virus. Point number 5. This infection destroys the host cell and the virus replicas are released. These free replicas reinfect the other adjoining cell of the host. Most of the viruses are pathogenic. They cause disease in the plant and the animal. Which living organisms are included in the kingdom Monera? All the living organisms belong to the kingdom Monera are unicellular. The mode of nutrition in them is either autotrophic or heterotrophic. All of them are prokaryotic and thus they do not have well-formed nucleus. The nuclear membrane and the cell organelles are absent in them. Point number 4. Kingdom Monera consists of different types of bacteria and blue-green algae. Point number 5. Example: bacteria Clostridium tetani, Vibrio cholerae, Treponema pallidum, Streptococcus pneumoniae, Legionella pneumoniae, Salmonella typhi, Staphylococcus aureus, Clostridium botulinum. Next question: who am I? First, A. I don't have true nucleus, cell organelles, or plasma membrane. Answer: microbes from Monera. B. I have nucleus and membrane bound cell organelles. Answer: protozoa from Protista. I am any one of the eukaryotes. I live on decayed organic matter. Answer: fungi. D. I reproduce mainly by cell division, binary fusion. Answer: bacteria and some protozoa. I can produce my replica. Answer is virus. F. I am green but don't have organs. Answer: algae. Draw the neat and label diagram of different types of bacteria. Coccus, Coccobacillus, Bacillus, Vibrio. Common shape is spiralum. Paramecium. Bacteriophage. Arrange the following in ascending order in size of the size: bacteria, fungi, virus, algae. Answer is the virus, bacteria, fungi, algae.